Hey y'all, welcome to 3D Print Hub in Garland, Texas, your store for all things 3D printed. We do commercial additive manufacturing and design, as well as individual custom designs. Continue watching to see what we do. Now let's check out what's new today.
Welcome back to 3D Print Hub. It's, what is today? Monday morning. We're getting restarted in here again. Got a bunch of stuff going on. Just kind of take you through real quick on what we've got going on. We got prints for the storefront that need to come off, but I wanted to show y'all these. These are going to be on our Shopify. Clean and dirty, held on with magnets, put onto your dishwasher.
Where are the magnets? Oh, on the back. And then it just goes on your dishwasher?
Onto your dishwasher, unless your dishwasher's got an aluminum panel.
Oh, and it's kind of curved up so you can read it when you're looking from above.
Yep.
That's pretty cool. You designed that, right?
Yep.
Cool.
I designed that. And then over here is our printer repair station. So these are in queue to be repaired. And these 4 over here are being repaired. So the FL Sun is done. It had a clogged nozzle. So we got that cleared up, did a full bed level, calibration, then printed a benchy for the customer. So I got to just contact the customer and let them know it's ready to go.
How long did it take that benchy?
It took an hour.
Wow, I thought it would be faster than that.
Well, I thought so too, but it wasn't. But I only use standard settings. I don't go in and do any kind of tweaking on the slicer. I use only standard settings whenever I go to print something like the little benchy after the repairs are done. Because that's what the customer is going to use 99% of the time.
Right. What about this one? This one's all in pieces.
This Ender 3 Pro is getting a bunch of upgrades. Doing the mocked up direct drive on it. Doing a dual Z axis rod kit on it. And then just got to get it all calibrated in. Make some little notes for the customer. I'll probably make a bunch of notes for them on the computer and just give them a little cheap thumb drive that we have a bunch of. That way he has all the settings to go and put into whatever slicer he uses, because he'll have to input his own settings for like the direct drive mock-up for it.
What about these guys?
These guys are just in for bad nozzles, what have you. I've just got to go over them and see.
Find out what's going on
And get them repaired. This one's the next one on the slate, followed by this one. Then we'll move on to this one, and that one. So those are all, they're on the ticket to be done. So that's about it for up here that we got going on. Oh, we got the cup finished. This thing is crazy. It will drive you crazy. You can't even touch it without it wanting to make noise. So the customer, we got to get a hold of her today and let her know that this is done. Isn't that irritating?
A keyboard clicky cup.
It's a clicky cup.
Clicky cup.
So she should like it. All right, so here it is, all done. This thing is massively annoying. You can't even touch it without. So let's go let the customer know it's done and not press any more buttons. See? You can't even set it down. So let's go into the back and see what we got going. My chair in the way. So we've got some parts here. Some parts here. Oh, this one ran out of filament, so I got to refill that one.
That one has little feet on it.
That one's got little coins. They're little dinosaur coins.
Dinosaur coins.
Dinosaur feet coins. Here's some right here. We started the print on the wrong printer with the wrong color, so we just stopped it because I didn't want to waste filament on the wrong color.
What else?
So we got that piece there. This one we're going to go ahead and put some more black onto it. So I think I'm going to use this one. So let's go ahead and retract this one. And let's retract this so we can get the new filament on it and get it finished up. The customer's coming to pick those parts up today. That and then this one over here. Coming and picking that all up today. So we've got to get all the supports off and get it ready for them to pick up this afternoon. Then we have got this Necromundo or Necromunda, something like that. Let's see. Necro something or another. Where's the other piece? There it is. Necromunda. So this is some video game or something. This is a poster frame.
There's a box in the way.
And I've got to print out the pins for this. And then you'll see, we'll do a video of getting it all put together. And some of the stuff I do, which these still have to be refinished, but like I started putting this together, I use a 3D pin, and I glue it together first. I pin it, glue it together, and then I put a bead with a 3D pin around it. Then I will take a heat gun and I'll smooth all that out and give it a light sanding. Then that way they can paint it up and everything. We don't do any painting here. So the customer's going to do the painting. But then that'll make a good, strong bond that we don't have to worry about just the super glue snapping off.
Right. That makes sense.
So there'll be more on that to come. And now we need to go and do some emails. We need to do some notification-ing. We need to notify some customers that their parts are ready to pick up, such as a cup out front. And then we're going to do some designing later this afternoon.
And respond to y'all's comments. In the comments
Hopefully
section.
this sounds a little better for the microphone. We made some adjustments.
People
we
were
do
saying
have
that
I'm
sounded
talking
like you're
into
talking
a
in a
tin
can.
Well, also, when I'm in this room here, the print room, it's a
huge.
full concrete floor. It's a metal roof. It is a metal framed building. So
Echo chamber.
It's an echo chamber, essentially. So anytime in here, so listen to me talking in here and how it sounds. There is reverberation, or however I'm trying to use big words.
Yeah.
It doesn't work.
You're doing good, but words are hard.
And then you come out here.
When we're out here.
And it's a totally different sound out here.
Of course, because we have carpet and stuff.
We got softer things out here to absorb the sound.
Yeah.
Or what have you. So if it sounds like I'm talking into a tin can, it's because essentially I'm inside a metal can in the print room.
That's true.
But we do have better mics on the way. They're supposed to be here tomorrow, so some of our next videos will hopefully sound a little better.
Let's go get our emails and stuff done.
These are super cool.
Oh.
Just so everybody knows, kids love them. No, I don't know how to use them. Yes, I always wanted one when I was a kid, but my parents wouldn't let me because they didn't want me to cut my fingers off. So now kids can come and buy these.
For practice?
And these are our designs.
That is our design. All right, let's get to emailing.
All right.
Communication. So what was that?
That was a customer that we designed some clips for coilover springs, a lighting system that he has designed the light itself. And we've got him all the info and for the design and pricing and all that. He's got that to investors, and they're getting ready to start mass producing probably about 10,000 pieces here within the next month.
Awesome.
Yeah. The first call was a gentleman wanting to sell his Spark i7 Creality printer. I don't really use that kind of printer here at the shop. So I gave him a price, and he might come and sell it to me today for me to resell.
Awesome.
So
just calls back to back to back to back.
Back to back.
That's a typical day
Yeah.
at 3D Print Hub. We're new to creating this kind of content, so please share your feedback in the comments. Let us know what you'd like to see, or how can we make our videos more engaging. If you enjoyed this content, please hit like, subscribe, and share. Also, check out our website for more information. Better yet, mosey on down to 3D Print Hub store in Garland to introduce yourself. Thanks for watching, and hope to see y'all in the next one. Printing, always printing.